Hello guys, this is Esteban Tavira and this is my week 6 exit tickle tutorial for Visual C Sharp. So let's begin. So for this week I made a form kind of related to the one from last week, but this time we're calculating time and speed. So it's not that much, it's a bit different. So basically I did also a try and catch. Our split is right here, which is equals to the ending distance minus starting distance divided by time. And the distance traveled is equals to the ending distance minus the starting distance. Then we have our clear button and we have our exit button. So let's make sure it works. Let's say we started, okay, of course they're at 0, and then we finish at 200. So how long is it taking us? Let's say it's taking us maybe 4 hours. And then we calculate distance traveled 200, speed 50 miles per hour. All good, it works, and something simple. Thank you for watching.